Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change theme in Vivaldi. So first, open Vivaldi browser on your desktop, click on the settings icon on the bottom left corner, and click on Themes under Appearances in the left panel. Here you will find a dozen of themes available in your Vivaldi browser, so for example, soft pink or dark or any other theme that you want. For example, let's enable this theme. You can also import theme from your desktop or export a theme. If you want to get more themes and more available options of themes, click on More Themes, and you'll be directed to Vivaldi Theme Store. So you can add any theme here that you like and click on it, and you'll get Download Theme button. And click on Download Theme. This will start downloading your theme in your Vivaldi. Here it is, guys. Our theme is successfully installed. As it is here, it's successfully applied to our Vivaldi process. And this is it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this helpful and easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.